In today's video, you are going to learn how to create a toggle switch animated button just like this using Figma. In order to get started, I'm going to draw a rectangle. Click on this section in order to draw a rectangle. So I'm going to set the width to 80 pixels and the height to 80 pixels as well. I'm going to add a border radius of 40 pixels in order to make it round. After that, I'm going to add an auto layout. To do that, in order to add an auto layout, all you need to do is to press Shift A on your keyboard. I'm going to set the width to 200 pixels. As you can see, the width has been applied. Then I'll scroll down to the bottom here. I'll click on fill. Then I'm going to change the fill color to this gray color. As you can see here, it has been applied. So after that, I'm going to add a horizontal padding of 15 pixels. Then I will leave the vertical padding as it is. So I'm going to select the auto layout frame. Then I'm going to rename it as toggle switch. In order to make this auto layout frame a rounded corner radius, so I'm going to come to this corner radius section. Then I'm going to give it a corner radius of 50 pixels. As you can see, it has been rounded. So I want to create a component so that we can reuse it in our design. So come to this section, click on create components. Then after the component, I'll click on add variant. This section, as you can see here, I can select the components frame, then I can resize it, then I can bring this one down a bit just to create some space in between them, as you can see now. So I'm going to select the components. So I'll come to this section, then I'll rename this property as switch. I'll select this button at the bottom. I'll scroll down to this section, then I'm going to change the fill to this green color. So after that, I'm going to come to this section, then I'm going to change the alignment to align right. As you can see, it has been aligned to the right. Then I'll select the first button at the top. Under this section, so I'm going to change the value to off. I'll select the second button. Instead of variant 2, I'm going to change it to on. Now we need to prototype it so that it can take effect. All you need to do is to select the first one at the top, then you come to prototype, then you are going to select interactions, then you drag it down to the second one, then you leave it at on click, then instead of instance, you change it to smart animate. Can drag it to the top like this. So after the smart animate, then you can leave the curve at linear. Then the duration, I'm going to change it to 500 milliseconds in order to create a smooth transition. Then after that, I'll click on the second button, then I'm still going to link it to the first one at the top here. Then I'll leave it at on click, then I'll leave it at smart animate linear, and the duration is going to be 500 milliseconds, as you can see here. So now basically, to make it work, we need to create a frame. So you can simply press F on your keyboard in order to create a frame. So I'm going to select the desktop frame, as you can see. So currently I'm going to resize the frame because it is looking too big. Then I can adjust it and place it wherever I want it to be. Then I'll come to assets in order to locate our component that has been created. So this is the component here. You can click on the component. So I will drag it inside the frame that has been created here. So I can align it to both horizontal and vertical so that everything will be in the center. I will rename this frame as prototype. I'll click on flow starting points. In order to preview the toggle switch button in action, all you need to do is to click on this play button. Here we have it. So when you click on it, it's going to transition smoothly. When you click on it, it's going to transition smoothly. You can see this is how you can create a toggle switch button like this in Figma. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to create any video in Figma, and I'll be ready to do that. If you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, You'll be the first person to be updated. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.